Assalamu alaikum guys. Sunday today and I'm starting my vlog from here. I'm just going to pick up my mum and my sister. We're gonna go to someone's house because I think someone's unwell and we're just going to see them. So outfit of the day today is, I wore this before actually. It's got like little tassels here. I wore this before. Wearing my watch, my ring. Oh god, sorry about that. Wearing my bracelet, gold bracelet. And got my favorite shoes on as always guys. This is just so, oh my god, I keep on picking them up, I don't know why. And yeah, so my makeup, I've done my eyes just as I usually do. Do my lip. Hi guys, this is Wednesday today and I'm off to do some errands. Actually, I'm taking my sister to an appointment, dropping her off. I'm taking my niece with me as well. She's off college and I'm just gonna we're just gonna go and get some lunch somewhere, and I'm just gonna get a few bits and bobs. So I thought you might as well come with me today. It's a Wednesday. So what I'm wearing, just some simple number denim shirt dress, just dark blue denim, with my leather jeggings, my shoes from Marks and Spencer's, and my bag from Shein, and my waistcoat from Next. Yeah, just casual number. It's not that warm today, just a bit nippy as well. So I thought I'll just wear this appropriate outfit. And this denim is really, really thin as well, guys. It's not thick. It's really, really thin. Yeah, it looks black. It's actually dark blue, but yeah. That's what I'm wearing, and this is how it looks from the back. Quite long from the back and a bit short from the front, still quite long. So yeah, just want to cook some mushrooms tonight, so I'll get some mushrooms as well. Jam as well. I want to get these because I'm run out of them. Tomatoes too. Roasted aubergine. I'm not sure of that. That sounds nice though. Taste it and look it up. You do a little taste test. You do a taste test first. How is it?
It's very nice.
Let me taste it. Oh gosh. What does it taste of? Like cheese and...
It's very much jalapeno.
Bismillah.
Oh, good.
Oh my gosh. That's really good.
Yeah, I know.
You could put them, make them as like nachos in the oven, can't you? But yeah, what are they called? They're like called crunch chips. Wow, terrifying. There's a jalapeno, cream cheese,
Inferno.
oh gosh, yeah, I'm definitely gonna get them again. But these are dangerous because they're gonna get killed now, aren't they?
Yeah.
What you got in there, Miss Bar? Chicken. Yeah, okay. I'm home now, guys. Last you seen me when I was having lunch with my niece. I dropped her home. I dropped my sister off to an appointment. Then I went for lunch with my niece. Then I stopped by Morrison's just to get a few bits. And now I'm home. I'm trying to put these few bits away. I didn't order, so I didn't get that much really. But yeah, I needed it. I was gonna make burgers and chips tonight. Air fry everything. But because I already had fries and I had chicken wings, it doesn't make sense. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make that tomorrow because I'm off tomorrow half day as well. So I'm just gonna make mushrooms today, guys. I'm just gonna make some nice mushrooms with onions and tomatoes and just quick stir fry. I just got some lettuce, little gems. Just got some potatoes. Do these look like potatoes to you guys? Please tell me these don't look like potatoes. Tomatoes. I got some custard creams. Sometimes after dinner I feel like having a biscuit. I'm not a great fan of biscuits. I'm not like a very sugary person, but I don't have a sweet tooth. But sometimes I'm human, I feel like having a biscuit and I feel like dunking it in my tea because I'm human. Yeah. So I got this was an interesting buy. It's protein chips and it says 210 calories, 15 grams of protein, not fried, sour cream, onion flavor, gluten-free, vegan friendly. So I'm gonna try them, and I think these are gonna help with I've joined my membership again yesterday, guys, as well. So I'm gonna be going gym soon, so these are gonna be quite good for before or after gym snack. So I've joined the gym, guys. I'm going tomorrow. Please wish me luck because I haven't been for like 6-7 months. So yeah, and the prices have gone up as well. Well, I don't know why I'm so shocked. Everything's up. I don't know why. Like, why do I get so shocked for? But yeah, the prices have gone up. So I'm going to try going gym again. I do quite a lot of steps anyway, but I still want to go gym. Time to myself a bit. So this is what I got. So today, but what I'm going to do now, I'm going to marinate my chicken that I took out. Let me go and get it. It's on here. I'm gonna marinate it for tomorrow's burgers, and I couldn't find any burgers today as well, so I'm gonna get some gluten-free burgers tomorrow so I can cook these bad boys. So I'm gonna marinate it now. You can see how I do it. I think you've seen me how to do it before, but I'll show you once again, guys, because I'm kind. Update on those crisps that you see me have in the car with my niece. Guys, are you kidding me? That was a big packet. Probably a few left in there. This is so delicious, but it's not very good for you. But food is food, end of the day. And I was hungry and I had them. And with my niece, I didn't eat them on my own, but I still had some when I got home, guys. But yeah, definitely thumbs up for me. Okay, guys, let's marinate this together. I'm gonna use some tomato ketchup just for a bit sweet tang. Just a bit of it, not too much. My favorite buffalo sauce, chili, like that. Using some garlic and herb. Yeah, a dressing truly to cherish, but it's like a dressing, but I'll just use it. It's like mayonnaise as well, so I can use it for my burgers too. Some salt, to taste. I just kind of wing it really. Yeah, that's about enough. Yeah. Some chili powder I'm using. A good amount. If you want it a bit spicy. It depends on you. Cumin. Just put a bit more of that in. Turmeric, obviously for earthy tone. Earthy taste. Taste? Yeah, taste. Some ground ginger as well. That's all I'm putting in for now. Well, hopefully, yeah, that's it. Just going to give that a good mix. And if I do it overnight in the fridge, marinate it, the taste will and all the flavours will come together very nicely. So they'll be ready for my burgers tomorrow. Might make them for lunch tomorrow because I'm going to work in the evening, but I might make some extras for later on or just to have for lunch on a Friday. But I need to get some burgers tomorrow first. First thing is first. I'm going to make some homemade chips. I'm just going to air fry them tomorrow, so with the burgers. But I've got to get out early to see if I can find some burgers tomorrow first. But I was only going to go to Tesco. They always have my burgers, but I went to Morrison's today, but they didn't have any, especially in the gluten-free section. But yeah, so I'm just going to make some nice mushrooms now, actually. But that's all done. So I'm just going to cover that up and pop that in the fridge. Guys, while my food's being cooked, I picked up a parcel earlier from Amazon, from the Amazon box, and I ordered a mat for the door because the other mat for my front door is a bit knackered now, so I ordered another one. It's the dark blue colour. It looks a bit big. I hope it's not too big, but yeah, I'll open it up and I'll place it and see. Hopefully it fits the space, but I hope it's not too big. Okay, it's got a lot of packing on it, so let's see how we get on today. Oh gosh, seems like it's quite big, but yeah, we'll have a look. I just hope I ordered the right size because like I'm a bit crap with ordering the right sizes. But let me open this up. Guys, it's the right size, thank God for that. Yeah, hopefully once it's in place it'll be better. You probably can't see it properly here, but let me show you at a different angle. There it is, guys. Yeah, it's quite rough, so that's what we like at the front door. It's nice, beautiful blue colour. It's got a black border on it, so I'm just going to place that now. This is the old one, guys. It's a bit knackered, isn't it? So I have to get rid of that. The water's all dried up now, guys, from the mushrooms. This is what I'm putting in: some onion, tomato and some chili. That's all I'm putting in for now. Well, yeah, and I'm going to put some chili masala, cumin and turmeric. Your favourite spices in, guys, which you just have, and I'm going to put some soy sauce as well, gluten free. While that's getting cooked, guys, let's go and get some coriander from my garden. Guys, I'm home from the gym now. I went to the gym, as I said yesterday in my vlog, that I'm going to gym. It's Thursday today. I'm working this evening, so I was off in the day, but I got up a bit late. Then I went to the gym, first time after 6-7 months, guys. It was so hard. Oh my god, I could barely move. I really couldn't. I couldn't even move my legs. Although I do so many steps a day, but still it was quite hard. But I only done about 30 minutes. So yeah, so I just went to the gym. I went to Tesco to get my gluten-free burgers, which I was going to make chips with it, but I had the crisps that I had yesterday. I had half a packet left, so after gym, I'll kill that, guys. I don't know what was the point of the gym, but so I don't want to make chips. That was potatoes as well, so there's too much potatoes going on, and I don't want too much potatoes and carbs. So I'm just going to make 2 burgers, one for probably lunchtime tomorrow for work, and I'm just gonna have one with salad. So thank you so much, guys, for this support that you give me on every vlog. I really do appreciate it, guys. Please like, subscribe to my video if you like my content, and please do let me know what you like watching and what you want to know about me, if there's anything else you want to know about me and where you're watching from. And do put a comment so I know that you are enjoying my content. But I'm gonna end my vlog here, guys. We're just gonna make my burgers. That's gonna be the last clip, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Take care and stay safe.